science project underway at St. Joseph's School in Coaldale is teaching students about renewable energy while helping reduce the school's electricity bill.
Partner up, groups no bigger than 3, okay?
Zach Copeland teaches grades 6 through 9 science and woodshop at St. Joseph's School in Coaldale. As a science teacher, Zach has developed a philosophy on how to teach the complexities of chemistry, physics, and biology to teenagers.
I guess for me it's keep it fun, right? It's try to keep the kids engaged. There's so many other things that can engage kids these days that as teachers our job is to try to make sure that they want to listen to us, they want to come to class and not just sit there and and stare off and count the dots in the ceiling and that type of thing. So try and get them engaged, get them working on labs and group situations as much as we can.
One way Zach has engaged his students is through a project he began a year and a half ago. With a $10,000 grant from BP Energy, he turned the roof of the school into a solar power generator.
The original project was to put a solar array on the roof and have that charge a class set of 20 iPods. And so we thought we could reduce our eco footprint by showing kids that they could still do their internet research for different school projects on a small device like an iPod rather than something as large as a laptop computer or even a desktop computer.
During installation of the solar panels, Zach was approached by ENMAX, who offered this wind turbine for the school's alternative energy project. Between the wind and solar generators, St. Joseph's School can now supply enough power to the grid to meet the needs of 3 average-sized houses. Plus, they will be useful teaching tools in class.
I think it'll be great. We've got software programs that go with both the solar array and with the wind turbine, and so we can pull data right off of both of those alternative energy sources. Both of those software programs also include things that allow the kids to get some real world examples, like we've offset this much carbon, or you could run this many computers for this long. So it kind of gives them some real world examples, so it's not just a bunch of numbers for them.
When it comes to teaching moments with this project, Zach says the sky's the limit. In the future, he hopes to include his students in an energy audit of the school and possibly add more panels to the solar array.
Oh, for sure, because then we're leading by example. Instead of talking about it all and saying this is what you should do, and then being in a school where the computers are left on or the lights are left on, we have to practice what we preach. So the best way to do that is to take those initiatives and have them going right here in the school.